Welcome back everyone in another topic of C programming language. Now I'm going to discuss about relational operator, which is very much useful when you're going to build a complex logic. Okay, with the different types of statement, we're going to see that conditional statement like if else, then a looping statement with the three types of loops that supported by C programming, that is for while loop and do while loop. Okay, but before we jump to those topics, okay, and build some complex logic on a problem statement, right, we first need to focus on the relational operator. The name suggests what is relational operator. It establishes a relation. Okay, so you can imagine about relationship between two person, either it is good or bad, right? So in programming environment, the relation between uh, two operands we can measure. Either the relationship will be true or either it will be false, right? So in the last topic, if you have not seen, please go back to the previous lecture that I have discussed on the boolean type or bool type, right? So in the last lecture that I have discussed regarding this two type, when it will be true and it will be false. Again, I am just recalling any positive and negative values will be treating as true, and only 0 will be considered as false. Okay, so relationship between two operands will be measured using relational operator. So that is the topic. All these relational operator are binary in nature, means required two operands. Okay, why I am highlighting this? Because we have seen in the arithmetic operator there are two variants, unary and binary. So we now stick to the binary. We don't have any unary relational operator. Okay, so they are all will be binary in nature, means they need two operand. So in total there are 6 relational operator. In maths also we are using them. So one of the popular one we know that less than operator. Okay, less than symbol. You can check your keypad also. Less than symbols are there. So it can help us to identify the relationship between two operand. So a less than b. So this expression in C programming either will return me 0 or either it will return me 1. Okay, so just to make you understand, for an example, if I take suppose a as 25 and now b as suppose 3, so 25 less than 3, answer will be false. This relationship is a false relationship, so it will return me and 0, right? Okay. Next, sometimes it is also become necessary. We need to check less than as well as equal to. So for this, C doesn't have any direct symbol which can supports like our maths. Okay, we don't have this kind of symbol in our keypad. So what we can do, C programming supports that by combining two characters or two operator, one is less than, another is equal to, without any space between them. Remember, no space. Okay, no space between them. So by combining these two, it can give us two relationship. Either it can look for the less than. If it is not less than, it can also look for the equality. Okay, so for an example, if I just take an example here, 9 less than equal to 9, it will be give me a outcome as true. And if I take suppose 9 less than equal to 13, it is also true. Okay, so opposite of this less than, we have another variant, that is greater than. So like maths, we are using greater than symbol to find a relationship between two operand, which one is greater. And similar to less than equal to, we also have another variant of greater than, that is greater than or equal to. Remember, there is no space between these two operator. Okay, so let's go back to the GDB compiler and let's see how this set of operator works. Thereafter, I'll come here again and we'll discuss the rest of two relational operator. Okay, so this may be lengthy. I'll try to finish it by 30 minutes. Let us see. Okay, we don't require any extra header file. I'm using stdio.h for this program only because to print out the output, right? Okay, so now I am taking a variable integer result, and now if I write 4 less than 5, okay, we'll see what will be the output. My suggestion for you that if there is not much necessary in your code, no need to use bool separately unless and until there are so many types and so many header files might be there. Std bool you can use, but you can work with the integer. It is totally fine. There is no issue in C programming point of view. But if you want to practice properly, so in such case you better to go with the header file that we have discussed in the last video. stdbool.h, then instead of integer you can use bool. Okay, so now let's print this and check what it is going to print. Definitely we're going to use percentage %d. There is no other thought. So result equal to this, and we are going to print result. Okay, see, we get the result as 1. Why? Because 4 less than 5, it is true. So this relationship is true, right? True. Here I have used directly the literals or the constants. You can use variables also. So let me just declare two variables. Okay, var1 equal to suppose 6 and var2 equal to suppose 10. Sorry, 10. So now you just want to check it directly. You can use directly here var1 less than var2. Now run. Got it? Fine. It is true. So let us try the opposite one. Now I am using var1 greater than var2. Now check the result is 0 because var1 is 6. So 6 greater than 10 is false. So I get an outcome as 0. So now let us just modify their values and try for the equality as well. Okay. So var1 equal to var2 equal to 6. Now I have taken. We have not used this kind of expression earlier in my lecture. So this is one of the way also we can assign the values once they are declared earlier. Okay, so let me just print these two values so that we can check their values are actually modified, right? var1, so var1 equal to percentage %d, var2 equal to percentage %d, and we are now going to print, okay, var1 and var2. Let us just test it. Yes, see, both of the values become now 6. Okay, so I hope this particular expression is clear. Remember the main part, do not do this while we are declaring them. Okay, once they are declared previously, we can update the multiple values if they are same type in one expression using this format. Okay, this is the syntax you can do. Now, as we have tested var1, var2 both is updated to 6. Okay, both are updated to 6. So now let us use our relationships. Okay, relational operator. All the relational operator. Now I'm going to place in with one example. Okay. So now I want var1 equal, sorry, not equal, better to write less than equal to. Okay, then let us print all four. Now before that, var1 less than, sorry, var2. Okay, now we have var1 greater than var2, and at last var1 greater than equal to var2. Okay, run this. Oh, what is the issue? Okay, sorry, comma should be there. So now I think you get the idea here how this operators works. Both the values are same. Okay, so what we are doing, 6 less than 6, it is false, so it give me 0. Then 6 less than, is it 6 less than 6? No, so or equal to, so it will give me 1. Yes, they are equal. Again, 6 greater than 6, is it true or false? False. Okay, so it give me 0. And again, 6 greater than 6 false, true, but 6 greater than or equal to, yes, that is or equal to, so that one will be printed here as 1. Okay, I hope you understand what they actually returns. Now two more remains. Okay, let's go back here. Two more remains. So we have equality and not equal operator. Okay, in some of the website you might seen, they have written as equal operator, or equal something like that, equal, right? But better to tell about as an equality operator. What is the purpose of this equality operator? Equality operator is used to check two operand value. You just only want to check their equal. Previously we have test with less than equal to and greater than equal to, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to, right? Now suppose that you want to only test, say, I want to check both A and B are equal or not. Only for this, I'm not going to consider either less than or either greater than. Okay, so that is called equality relationship. If two operand exactly having the same value, we can use two assignment operator without any space together, and that particular operator will be known as equality operator. Okay, exactly. So again, so what will be the return type? As I mentioned, all the relational operator only returns true and false. So here directly not getting true and false, you're getting 1 and 0 form. So for an example, if I have, suppose if I write 9 equal to 9, so it will give me true. Okay, so similarly, if I just write 10 equal to 9, it will give me false. So in C programming, false means 0 and true means 1. Got it? So means when there is certain scenario in your program that you need to test both the values are equal, then use this. Now there is opposite scenario also. What if, sir, if I want to check they are not equal? So we have a last operator in the relational case, we have not equal to operator. Okay, so how they have formed? Again, we are using the symbol, explanatory symbol. Okay, and without any space we are using assignment operator. So jointly together these two symbol form one operator, we called it not equal relational operator. Okay, do not confuse, this is explanatory symbol and this one is the assignment operator without any space, no space between them, right? So now this, it is just opposite of equality operator. So if you want to test inequality, means values are not equal. Okay, suppose you want to test A not equal B, and A suppose is user has given input 20 and B as user given input 10, and you want to do something if they are not equal. Okay, and if they're equal you want to do something. Okay, separate case. So in that case use this. So their values are different, so if I just put their values 20 not equal to 10, it will give me true. Okay, just opposite. See here, when I have used equality operator, different, yeah, when I have used equality operator, when values are different then I get false, but when I use not equal to operator, when values are different I get true. Okay, so let us test it in the GDB compiler. Okay, directly. Okay, fine, no need to use another variable. What I want percentage d need to print. Okay, for what purpose? For suppose I want to print 9 not equal to 9. Okay, and I want to print its value, so let us just pass it here as an expression and execute this. Oh, what happened? This one. Now run. Yeah, now see, 9 not equal to 9, I get a false value. Right? If same statement, same values, if I used with the equal to, you can check. Okay, look at here. I have used two assignment operator together without any space. So I saw in my during teaching, student get confused with the when to use assignment operator and when to use equality operator. When you want to compare the values, okay, use equality. When you want to assign the values, use assignment operator. Okay, so mistakes done by the students I have seen during the teaching, right? So here you can see now if I execute this, I get true for 9 equality 9, 9 equal to 9. So normally we read this way 9 equal to 9 because there are two equal symbols are there. Okay, and the name of the operator is equality. So you are checking for the equality, yes, they true. We are checking for non-equality, no. So for non-equality, just let me just change the value. So instead of 9, I am using now 19. And now you can see for the non-equality, I get the true. Okay, I hope now you understand this. Okay, so let us continue with the precedence on associativity, or shall I stop? I'll move to the separate lecture. Okay, it's better to stop. Okay, we'll see in another next video where you're going to mix with the arithmetic operator and relational operator together to discuss about the operator precedence and associativity. Okay, but while we're discussing that, we need the previous knowledge where I have discussed regarding operator precedence and associativity. Okay, and if you not just so let me just show you, just go to that YouTube channel. Okay, and you can check the playlist, and you can also check the previous videos that I have uploaded here. Okay, so this is the complete playlist, right? Here you can check the previous videos. Okay, because lectures are linked with each other. Okay, so see there is an separate topic, operator precedence and associativity, lecture 11. Go for it, because our next topic is we're going to combine arithmetic operators, right? And arithmetic binary and arithmetic unary operators together, along with the operator precedence and relational operator that just we have discussed. Okay, so four topic will be combined together. Okay, so have a nice day. Do not forget to like and share my video if you like the content.